Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to properly measure and sort your lobster in fishing North Atlantic. Because it can be a bit hard in the beginning to know from where you should measure them. If you go to the wiki, it says that you should measure it to here. Now that isn't actually completely true. That's not the limit to where you will be fined. You can actually go a bit above that. So the limit, the actual limit, is somewhere in between the first and the second line on the tail, as you can see. Now this one, which we have here, is obviously big enough. This one is big enough. Big enough. I want to find one that's on the limit. Like this one. You can see it's in the middle of the first two lines. Now usually the way I do it is that I draw a line in my head in between those two lines. And if it's above that line, then I say it's good enough. If it's below, then I say it's too small, basically. Okay, this one is actually tricky because it's dead center in the middle. But I'm gonna say it's a keeper. Obviously big enough. This one, on the other hand, it's also in between the first and the second line, but I'd say this one is too small. And I just did a wrong thing. Don't do that. I just accidentally put it in the crate. I wanted to throw that back into the ocean, obviously. This one is big enough. And this one is big enough. If you want to do it as realistically as possible, or if you want to be completely sure that you're not gonna get fined for having too small lobster, then you can obviously do it like the wiki says. But do note that you will lose quite a bit of lobster if you do it that way, compared to the way I just showed you. And that's basically it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribing helps me out. And goodbye.